The Chlamydocelicus angiunius, better known as the common frill shark, has the longest recorded gestation period of any animal, about 3.5 years. But as long as that is, it has nothing on Mathews Brothers. You see, our brand new high-performance Sanford Hills patio door took us nearly 4 years to gestate. Actually, it took us 163 years to get started, then 4 to complete. But as the wise man says, anything good's worth waiting for. And sister, this is good. Tested to commercial requirements, the Sanford Hills achieved a mind-blowing performance grade 50, with air infiltration the equivalent of a toot in a hot tub. Now we can tell by your reaction that this means absolutely nothing to you. But let me tell you, Mr. Man, where we come from, it's a pretty big deal. Not only that, but it matches perfectly with our 2-year-old Sanford Hills window, like they were twins, which I suppose you'd expect when your gestation period is so daggone long. You can learn more about our wicked awesome windows and doors, but only at Better Lumberyards and Window Professionals, or on the web at MathewsBrothers.com. Mathews Brothers with 1 T, America's oldest window manufacturer.